A Gantt chart is a powerful visual tool used to track projects over time. Let's break down how they work. At its core, a Gantt chart is a bar chart that illustrates a project schedule, showing tasks against a set time frame. By visualizing every milestone, you can clearly see how long each phase of a project should take to complete. These charts break complex projects into manageable pieces, linking them so you know exactly what needs to happen next. While a to-do list tracks what to do, a Gantt chart provides the vital context of when and in what order. This bar chart shows how a project is distributed over time, helping team members stay aligned on current priorities. Using visual project management tools helps turn those wishes into concrete, actionable steps for your financial or professional goals. Thanks for watching our breakdown. Check back for more concepts explained simply. Educational content, not financial advice.